Turning now to Florida's unprecedented property insurance crisis, two of the state's private insurance companies want to raise their premiums by more than 53%. The Florida Office of Insurance Regulation will hold public hearings next week to determine if those increases are justified. Tarek Minders shows us who this would affect and the reasons for these higher premiums are being sought.
Despite Florida's legislature doing a tremendous amount of property insurance reform over the past 2 years, the price to insure a home in Florida remains the highest in the United States. This after insurance premiums rose 68% from May 2021 to May 2023. Now two companies are asking the state for more sharp hikes in the amount homeowners pay for insurance every year. Castle Key Insurance, which is owned by Allstate, is requesting the Office of Insurance Regulation approve a 54% average rate increase. And Amica Mutual Insurance Company is also filing for a 54.1% average rate increase. Insurance Information Institute spokesman Mark Friedlander says it's important consumers keep the company's requests in perspective because the rate increase would only affect specific dwellings.
Number one, it's only two companies. Number two, it's only very specific types of policies. Castle Key is strictly what are called HO6 or individual condo owner policies, not standard home policies, so strictly for condo owners. And the Amica Mutual is called dwelling fire policies. Those are typically secondary or vacation homes. They are not primary residences.
Friedlander says there are multiple reasons for the rate increase proposal, including a startling number of severe storm losses across the U.S. last year. Insurance claims totaled more than $50 billion in 2023, a number higher than ever before, spawned by natural disasters, including a prolonged wildfire season. Friedlander says the cost to rebuild a home, condominium, or apartment has also skyrocketed along with inflation.
We have calculated a average cumulative replacement cost in the U.S. over the past 4 years of 55%. That's nearly 4 times the U.S. inflation rate, which ran about 15% cumulatively during the same period.
Insurance industry analysts say there is some good news to report in Florida, including the addition of 7 new private insurance companies to Florida's industry, which will make the market more competitive. The state's insurer of last resort, Citizens, has also been successful at decreasing the number of policies it has to limit exposure.
More than 200,000 Citizens policies moved to the private market in the fourth quarter. They're projecting more than 300,000 additional policies to move in 2024. And what that shows is private insurers have capacity to write risk. Once again, something we hadn't seen in Florida for many years.
Now, before Castle Key Insurance and Amica can raise premiums, there has to be a public hearing. If you want to be heard on this issue, you can register and attend virtually to comment, to ask a question you might have. We've included a link to both of those meetings that will be held next week on our website in the story at news4jax.com. Janice?